Welcome everyone. Today we're taking a close look at the Blink Outdoor 4 XR, a wireless security camera system designed for wide coverage and long-lasting battery life. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this security camera at the best price. The Blink Outdoor 4 XR is a 6-camera system that gives you a clear, reliable way to monitor your property with minimal fuss. One of its strongest points is the extended range, which allows cameras to be installed up to 1,000 feet in open-air conditions or around 400 feet with typical use, meaning you can cover much larger areas than most standard Wi-Fi cameras. The XR Sync module makes the connection up to 70% more reliable than traditional Wi-Fi setups, and you'll notice live video loads about 20% faster even at longer distances, giving you peace of mind knowing what's happening at your property almost instantly. The setup process is straightforward, completely wireless, and doesn't require running complicated cables, which makes installing multiple cameras across a property much easier. Blink's patented chip technology also ensures up to 2 years of battery life using the included Energizer AA lithium batteries, so you won't be swapping out batteries every few months. Managing your cameras is simple through the Blink app, which allows you to control up to 10 devices at once. You can arm, disarm, or group cameras together for efficient monitoring. Events can be saved in the cloud with a free 30-day subscription trial, or locally using the XR module with a MicroSD card, which gives flexibility depending on your storage preferences. The system is not perfect, as higher-end competitors may offer more advanced AI detection or integrated smart home features. But for most homes, it provides excellent coverage, reliability, and convenience. If securing your home with minimal hassle is a priority, the Blink Outdoor 4 XR is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to check the link in the description below to grab this security camera system at the best price and take control of your home security today.